Alright, let's look at the midterm, problem number 11. So we have this function g of w given, and we want to find the derivative of that. Alright, so let's do that. Alright, before we take the derivative, I'm going to rewrite this function as this. Alright, so you have a 7 over 3, it's just a number, so I'm going to just put 7 over 3 in front. Alright, so you have a 1 over w to the 4th power. So we can write it as w to the, since it's sitting on the bottom, so it's going to be a negative power and a negative 4 power. Alright, then you can do the same thing to the second term. So we have 9 is just a number, write it in front. And since our fourth root is equivalent to a quarter power, so we have a w to the 1/4 power. Alright. So this is just the same function as the original function, just written differently. Right? Now we take the derivative. Right? So we have g prime of w. Right? So here's a constant. So constant multiple. So we just put that in front. Right? Derivative of w to the negative 4 would be put the power in front. I'm just using the power rule. W to the, subtract 1 from the power. So negative 4 minus 1 is negative 5 power. Alright, so you have a 9 constant multiple there. Derivative of w to the quarter power would be put 1/4 in front. W to the, subtract 1 from 1/4. So it's a negative 3/4. Alright, so we just have to clean this up a little bit. Alright, so we have, so there's a negative sign. And 4 times 7 is 28. And over, right, 3 is sitting on the bottom. Right, since it's a negative power, we can place w on the bottom, and then we put the positive 5 power. Right, because negative power is already taken care of by placing w on the bottom. Alright, so plus you have a 9 on top, and 4 is on the bottom. Then you have a w on the bottom, since it's a negative power. Then you can raise it to the 3/4 power. Alright, so we got that. Alright, so let's type it in. Alright, so we got negative 28 over, right, 3 times w, raise it to the 5th power. Right, then we have plus 9 over, right, and 4, then w raise it to the 3/4 power. Right, so let's check the answer. Right, we got that. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.